the line y equals 3x plus p and the circle x squared plus y squared equals 53 intersect at points A and B, and they mentioned that p is a positive integer, and we need to show that the coordinates, that the x coordinates of the points A and B satisfy this equation. Now, since these two equations intersect, it means we can use the simultaneous equation. And in this case, we can use the substitution method. So we have x squared plus y squared equals to 53. Y equals to 3x plus p. So I will say x squared plus, and substitute y with 3x plus p squared equals to 53. I will expand 3x plus p. 3x plus p multiplied by 3x plus p. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times p is 3xp. P times 3x plus 3xp, and p multiplied by p equals to p squared. So when I simplify this expression, 9x squared plus 6xp plus p squared. So I'll take this here. So x squared plus 9x squared plus 6xp plus p squared equals to 53. Now I'm going to simplify this equation. X squared, 1x plus 9, this is 10x squared plus 6xp plus p squared, and then when I move the 53 to the other side, this is minus 53 equals to 0, and I showed that the x coordinate is satisfied by this equation at points A and B. The next part of the question, they said that the coordinate of A is 2, 7, and we need to work out the coordinate of B. So first, what I need to do, I need to find the value of p, and I will do that by using this point. In this point, x equals to 2, so I will substitute x in this equation. So this is 10 multiplied by 2 squared plus 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by p plus p squared minus 53 equals to 0. 2 squared is 4 multiplied by 10, this is 40 plus 12p plus p squared minus 53 equals to 0. I will rearrange the equation starting with the p squared. So p squared plus 12p, 40 and negative 53 is negative 13 equals to 0. So now we're going to factorize p plus 1 and p, okay, p plus 13 and p minus 1, which means p either equal to negative 13 or p equals to 1. I will not take the negative 13 because in the question they said that p is a positive number. The next step is substitute p equals 1 in the equation. So now we have 10x squared plus 6xp plus p squared minus 53 equals to 0. So now 10x squared plus 6 times x times 1 equals to 6x plus 1, p squared minus 53 equals to 0. So this is equals to 10x squared plus 6x minus 52 equals to 0. Now we want to factorize. So before I factorize, I'm going to simplify it. So I'm going to divide the whole thing by 2. So this is going to be 5x squared plus 3x minus 26 equals to 0. Factorizing this, 5x and x equals to 0. So I'm looking for two numbers. When I multiply them, the answer is negative 26. And then when I do the FOIL method, I will end up with 3. And I can use plus 13 and minus 2. So this means x equals to negative 13 over 5 and x equals to negative 2, positive 2. Now since coordinate A has x equals 2, I will substitute with x equals negative 13 over 5 or negative 2.6. So going to the first equation, I have y equals to 3x plus p, and I know now that p equals to 1. So y equals to 3x plus 1. When x equals to negative 2.6, y equal 3 multiplied by negative 2.6 plus 1, and this is going to be equal to negative 6.8, which means when x equal to negative 2.6, y equal to negative 6.8, and these are the coordinates of point B.